Vertebrate and invertebrate animals.
Oops! Ouch! Ouch! No, 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 no! Ah! Ouch! Oh!
Animals are everywhere. Some of them live in the water, others fly, and many others are terrestrial. All of them share two key features. They can move around and eat other living beings. The animal kingdom is the largest and most diverse of living things. It is so diverse that we need to classify animals in groups to be able to study their characteristics. Great English naturalist Charles Darwin knew a lot about studying and classifying animals.
Hello, everyone. The animal kingdom can be classified into two large groups. Vertebrate animals that have a vertebral column or spine, and invertebrate animals that do not have it.
How many categories can we classify animals in? That's right, we can classify them into two categories. What is the name of one of those categories? That is correct, vertebrates. What is the other category? Invertebrates. Which one of these has bones or a spinal column? The vertebrates or the invertebrates? You're right, the vertebrates have a bone or spinal column and the invertebrates don't. And that's the main difference between the two categories.
Vertebrate animals are more developed than invertebrates because their bone and muscle structure allows them to grow more and move around better. Vertebrate animals can be split up into the following groups: fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals.
How many categories are there under the under the vertebrate category? There were 5. See the 5?
Birds,
There were 5, and we're going to study those 5.
and mammals. Fish live in rivers and seas. Their body is covered by scales. They have fins to swim around and gills that allow them to breathe underwater. Amphibians have 4 limbs. They are born like fish and develop until they turn into terrestrial vertebrates. No, a crocodile is not an amphibian, but a reptile. Similar to fish, the skin of reptiles is covered by scales and have 4 limbs to move around, except for snakes that drag themselves along on the ground. Many of them know how to swim. Birds are covered with feathers. They have a beak, 2 legs, and 2 wings that allow them to fly, but not all of them know how to do it. Birds lay eggs like most fish, amphibians, and reptiles. And finally, we have mammals, the most developed group of vertebrates, and the animal kingdom. Their young develop inside their mother's womb until they are born. Then they are fed with the mother's milk. Some mammals fly, and others live in the water, though most of them are terrestrial. Got it!
All of those animals are part of what category? The vertebrate category or the invertebrate category? The vertebrate category, that is correct.
All the animals that live around here are vertebrates. But where are the invertebrates?
Notice the word invertebrate. In is a prefix that means what? Not. So invertebrates are not vertebrates, which means they're not backboned animals or animals with bones.
Those animals go more overlooked, but they are more numerous than vertebrates. Did you know that of all animals that live on Earth, 98 are invertebrates? Invertebrates can also be classified into several groups.
We are not going to study these specific groups, but I'm going to let you go ahead and watch it because I know you're going to think it's interesting.
Spiders, insects, and crabs are arthropods. have a soft body. Some of them have a shell, and others have long tentacles. There are terrestrial and marine mollusks. Of the invertebrates that only live under the sea, the following stand out. Sponges that have a sac-shaped body and are not mobile. Jellyfish that have tentacles that move around freely. And starfish that drag their bulk body along the seafloor. And let's not forget about the group of invertebrates we're all familiar with, worms. Those terrestrial aquatic animals with an elongated body and without legs.
By now you should know the difference between a vertebrate, an animal that has bones, and an invertebrate, an animal that does not have bones.